Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can make multiple variation of a photo on Midjourney. Now if you guys found our videos helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on to get notified for future Midjourney related videos. Now let me teach you how you guys can make a variation. So the first step is you want to come to the Discord of Midjourney and then make an image. So I'm going to write /imagine imagine. It's a prompt for you to create an image. So I'm going to write a fly in a apple. So if I write this prompt, it's going to create 4 photos. Alright, so let's wait until this photo is created. So as you guys can see, it has created my image of a fly on an apple. Now let's say I just want to create a variation of this one. Alright, so it already creates variation. Let's say you want to create further variation of the variation it created. Out of this 4, I want to create different options for this. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 3. So you want to click V3. Do not go into the U. Alright, who is going to create this image again. We want to create different variation of this. So I'm going to click V3 because it's in the 3rd quadrant. Now let's wait for some time. It's going to create 3 version of that. So it's creating it over here. So let's wait for some time now. And it has created it. As you guys can see, it created its variation. It is not complete. It's still on the process. You know what I'm trying to say, right? So yeah, that's how you guys can create variations of photo on Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.